Happy Thursday, everybody. Today, I'm going to be flying. Just got done with work early. Kind of nice. Now, I do have some skins here. One for the Neo 2, one for the Flip. But I don't feel like doing that today. I feel like flying today. So today, we are going to fly some FPV. It's not FPV Friday like everybody says. I'll do that tomorrow, too. If it's not storming. It's supposed to storm really hard tomorrow in Wisconsin, so, and we got plenty of rain. But today, I think we're gonna go with, let me see. We're gonna go with, bear with me. We're gonna go with the Neo, FPV with the Neo. It's been a while. It's a fun little drone, even FPV. I did take off the old propeller guards and stuff like that, and I got the little landing gear, which looks cool when it's sitting up here, you know, but flying, I take that off just to get extra 30 seconds of battery life for it to handle a little better. I gotta be honest though, I only fly with the motion controller. I do have the FPV remote, but I'm not very good at it. And I know you haven't really flown, you know, FPV until you unlock that. But I've done some simulator and, you know, I'm okay, and crashed a bunch of times in the simulator, and I just haven't ever done it. I like the motion controller. And also, good news, I got my tracking, and it's in Memphis right now, the Avata 360. A little late to the party, but hopefully by Monday, I'd say at the very latest. It should be here a little before that, but Monday, I'm hoping it's going to be here, the Avata 360. I can't wait. Can't wait. Then all I have left is would be the 5. You know, I don't have the Mini 4 Pro, but I'd like to get the Mini 5 Pro. I do have the X1, Sky Rover X1, so I pretty much have the 4, but I do want to get the Mini 5 Pro. All right, let's get outside. Oh yeah, I just got this in too. I got one for the Neo 2, and the Avata 2. Can't wait to put them on and fly at night. Want to know something crazy? Had to lay these chairs down the last few nights. These things are heavy because of storms. Pick them up and throw them. It's crazy. It's crazy that it's that windy here. literally had to move out of the sun because I was sweating and they were fogging up. And I have the anti-fog on. It's only like 80. It's going to be crazy when it gets super hot. These are going to be a game changer. I'm switching to them now. These are going to save me FPV in the summertime by so much. I highly recommend it just for that, so you can FPV in the summer without breaking out in a super sweat. Norman does not approve of me flying because I can't keep an eye on him and fly at the same time. Time to charge everything back up. Thanks for watching.